Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change currency on CJ Dropshipping. So first you just need to go to the CJDropshipping.com, where you just need to log into your account. You must need to log into your account, or you don't have any account, then you have to register for a new one. Then here you will find the language and currency tab. This is a drop down section where you will find language. You can change your language, and also you can change your currency from here. You just need to hover over your mouse cursor and it will expand. Then you can just click on USD, this currency, and you will find a different type of currency that you can change to. Here you can see all of those is on now dollar USD. So US dollar. Now I'm going to change it to euro. Here it is, euro. Now here you can see it has just immediately changed the currency to euro on CJ Dropshipping. So that's all. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.